Ecom Street presents how to choose the best Python development company for your business. Before diving into the process of selecting a Python development company, it's crucial to understand your business requirements. Begin by researching potential Python development companies. Explore their portfolios, client testimonials, and case studies. Evaluate the technical expertise of each company. Look for certifications, industry recognition, and the proficiency of their development team in Python frameworks and technologies. Effective communication and collaboration are essential for the success of your project. Assess how each company communicates with clients, their responsiveness, and their involvement in the development process. While cost is a significant factor, balancing it with quality and timeliness is essential, considering each company's proposed budget and timeline. Request client references from each Python development company to gain insights into their past projects and client satisfaction levels. It's time to decide on a Python development company that best aligns with your business needs, technical requirements, communication style, and budget constraints. Follow these steps, you can confidently select the best Python development company for your business. Thank you for watching Ecom Street.